Welcome back. Today we're going to be making a maple cream sauce. I'm going to put probably a couple of cups of heavy cream in my pot. And then about a cup of maple syrup. Okay, we're going to heat this up and whisk it. And that's it, guys. We're going to put it into our jar. And there we go. That easy. We have a maple cream syrup that you can use in coffees. You can use on pancakes or waffles. This stuff is really amazing. I hope you guys try it.